first tool against marine decay is not a welder, not a pressure washer, not an angle grinder. It is a scraper, long-handled, sharp-edged, patient. Because before anything else, the barnacles come off. 30 years of ocean life clinging to the hull, each one removed individually, manually, with force. There is no shortcut. There is only the work. New steel in an old hull. The conversation between what was and what will be has begun. The wheelhouse. We could have replaced it entirely. Started from nothing. Forgotten what was there. We didn't. The original ring frames, the structural bones that held the wheelhouse through 30 years of North Atlantic weather, stay. Everything else is rebuilt around them, because the bones of a good boat deserve to be kept. There is a particular moment in the fit-out of a boat interior when the ceiling panels go in and the overhead closes and the space stops being a construction site and becomes a room. That changes everything. The acoustic shifts, the light changes quality, the air becomes warmer, and you think, someone is going to live here. Someone is going to wake up here. Someone is going to hear harbor water against a hull as the first sound of their morning and call it home.